If you are experiencing the unable to authorize, please try again issue on TikTok with your iPhone. Then today we are here with a guide on how to fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and cellular data to test, or simply restart your router if you are on Wi Fi. Then, restart your iPhone. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button and slide to power off and simply wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. Because restarting your iPhone often fixes some bugs or any other issues. After that, simply try updating your TikTok app. Open the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Search for the TikTok and update the app if a newer version is available. Then, after that, simply go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Then, inside Settings, tap on the General. Then, inside General, tap on the iPhone storage. Now, look for the TikTok app and simply tap on it. Then, tap on the Upload app and upload this TikTok app and reinstall it. So, that is it. By following these steps, you can easily fix this issue. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.